really feeling hard times.
Looking out my window, holding my weapon like Malcolm X in. And it seems I'm overstressing, feeling like hating is your profession. And I know a couple Texans that got killed for over-repping. So I never be overstepping, boundaries bounded to my weapon. When they ask me how I'm doing, I just tell them I'm doing super. I got a date with destiny, allow me to introduce ya. Her little sister Faith told me I'm gonna be the future. And legacy's everything to a Martin Luther King Cooper. This recession is so pathetic, got me feeling like I'm athletic. And success trying to get away from me, and I ain't trying to let it. When they told me the pimp was gone, my reply is I don't get it. And I'm still having trouble believing it happened the way they said it. Had to cut some partners off, swear to y'all it ain't my fault. I've been grown since I was 7 and I was born to be a boss. But I know it's a bunch of haters trying to see me take a loss. So I be sleeping with one eye open and put cameras in my vault. I be thinking and getting deep and they try to tell me that I be preaching, but I know that they can't see how much of the world that I be reaching. So stop reaching, stop leeching, I'ma fade them out like bleaching. And the spots where they can't get out to is the spots I visit frequent. Europe, the UK, and Germany. Traveling currently, made so much in millions that I could cash out in eternity. Custom to hitting customs with that duffel full of currency. When God created hustle, looked at the world and he inserted me. Cooper.
So cold in the streets, so I'm taking it slow. I'm just living my life. So cold in the streets, so I'm taking it slow. I'm just living my life. So cold in the streets, so I'm taking it slow. I'm just living my life. So cold in the streets, so I'm taking it slow.
Myself, I only speak the truth. It ain't a day a situation don't occur within the hands of time. But since I'm blessed to be breathing, I guess a nigga living fine. I never like to deal with drama just to keep from crying. And since the hood depend on me, they'll never lose a hand of mine. I'm paralyzed when it come to good times. I'm used to the pain, feeling like a bomb under the bridge. I'm so used to the rain. Anything I do is from the heart, so it reflect my name. Forgive me for my sins, Father. I feel like I'm going insane. Media criticizing me for checking niggas, fuck it, oh well. I just went